All right, we got Slick S46. This is a close call. Car driver almost killed me when passing a red light. This is going to be a planning situation. We talk about the plan method. Okay, we're going to be focused on the position for safety, locate hazards, adapt, and also navigate around threats with evasive maneuvers. Let's take a look. After taking a look at the mirror and it felt safer to switch lane, I think it saved my life. Okay, so his gut was telling him something. There's the yellow. Now it's red. Okay, there it is. Woo. Oh, man. Imagine if he stayed in that lane. Did a good job. That person was not paying attention. That person was not paying attention. Let's take a look at that one more time. This is going to be a good job. This is a good job for positioning his safety. The gut, the orange stage gut feeling told you to move and you adapted. Handled it. Good job. All right, so we got Lamb here. So this is going to be a Campo Road crash off California 94. Max Wrist is up there. Right now, he actually probably got kicked out of North Carolina. Anyways, we got progressive braking issue. Let's see what happens here. Do you think it's going to be a progressive braking issue only? What do you think? All right, no audio. Oh, it saw a little bit of slippage. Yeah, we got to stop at some point. There is that fishtail. There is that crash. So we coming up to here, we see our buddy already parked here. You know, if we're talking on our Cardo Pack Talk Bolds, you know, using the code DDTF for a discount if you want to. Links in the description. But anyways, we see our buddy parked off there. We see it's a sharp turn. It looks like there's going to be a Vista Point or a little turn off here. So we should be slowing it down right now. But this is going to be a progressive brake issue. So we should be braking. You see a little bit of slippage. He's starting to do this a little bit. I think he locked up his tires. He's going a little too fast. So what I would be doing here is, like, I'm not going to be able to stop in time. So you see all that gravel. I see somebody in the chat saying that there's gravel. There's all this gravel here. It's not going to be, you know, super nice and traction inducing. It's going to be traction losing with all this gravel. So what I'd be doing is, like, I'm not going to make it. And I'm going to park up to here on the shoulder. That's what I'd be doing. I'm not going to make this. It's just going to be too dangerous. I'm going to change it up. Nope, we're going to go over here. So if you're in this situation, you don't have to stop where your friend is. You could actually continue moving on and then stop a little bit there. But he wants to go there, so that's what we're going to try to do. And now we're hitting gravel. And now we're not stopping in time. Our back tire's starting to slide out. We're starting to do really bad rear brake. Remember, we can do progressive braking not just with the front lever, but with our foot. You can start applying it more and more once we get more traction. We start to lose traction. We start to fishtail, release it, and then reapply. Okay? But we're going to get up to here. This fishtailed, and now we impacted. Thankfully, it's going to be a slower speed. So he's going to hit the wall, and it's going to be on that right side. So I'm a little bit concerned about his right leg. So hopefully he's doing fine. Hopefully it's not a big deal. Hopefully he can ride it home.